In response to Hurricane Helene's severe impact, Georgia allocated $100 million to aid its agricultural sector, with $75 million for disaster relief loans to support farmers and businesses, and $25 million for cleanup, particularly timber and debris removal. The hurricane caused over $6.46 billion in economic losses, affecting agriculture and forestry significantly. Funds were reallocated from planned projects to address these immediate needs, with Georgia's $2 billion budget surplus allowing for potential replenishment. State leaders are also seeking federal support to help rebuild infrastructure, reflecting a coordinated approach to manage future disaster recovery efforts.